Okay guys, here we are back at it again with the HHR. Today is the camshaft position sensor change because it's been throwing a check engine light all week and I actually want to get this done. So I've got two brand new ones you can see sitting here right in that white box, and we're going to start by taking off the air box. Okay, so now that we have the airbox off, I have to actually get at the camshaft position sensors, and before we do that, I've got to clean all this crap out because there's a lot of crap, and later it actually falls down into the camshaft position sensor hole, and I have to clean that crap out, but just wait till you see that. Now we actually get to pull out the camshaft position actuators, and this is the fun part where all the dirt falls in, but it's just two 10mm bolts and they just pull right out. It's super easy. I think the hardest part of all of this was getting the little gray clips to pop up to pull them off of the actual actuators. So this is the first one. This is the actual intake camshaft position sensor, and you can see it's nasty now because of all the crap that fell in. But it does work. That one is functional. It's actually the black back one there that doesn't function. It says circuit malfunction. If you saw my short, you would have seen it. And that one's gonna come out, and they come in 2 packs, so we're just gonna replace both at the same time. There's no reason not to. Bring out some sort of vacuum or something. Bunch of crap. Okay. So this is the intake and exhaust camshaft position actuator. They're both nasty. Well, they've got oxidization on the outside, but inside they look okay. And it's actually the one in my hand on the top of the screen that's bad. That one is shite and it doesn't work. So we're getting rid of both. Now that we've got them out, we're going to put the new ones in. And for some reason I actually lost that footage and I don't know why. So it's just the same as taking them out, but in reverse for putting them in, you just push and give them a couple light taps with a rubber mallet if you can to get them in, because it's pretty hard to get it past the red rubber band. But once they're in, and just screw down that 10 mil and you're home free. Soon you'll actually get to see the car start up and we'll be good as gold. Okay guys, home stretch now. I just have to put the math sensor in so we don't throw any codes when we turn the car over. It is going to sound a bit rough when it turns over, but that's because I'm in dire need of an oil change, and that's actually the next video coming out. I have a short saying the oil change is coming. If you want to check that out, that's on my channel. But other than that, sorry for the lost footage, and thanks again for checking in, guys. Have a good one.